Guys, big news. Today is the day. Me, Tharn. I have a date. Yeah, me. Not with a wolf or mosquitoes that want to eat me. Not with a wild boar or a mammoth. But with a woman. A real woman. My first date ever. She said she comes to my place. So excited. So, we have lots of things to do to make it perfect. First of all, I stink. I need a shower. This is one well-washed caveman. I already have meat, so there is only 2 things left for me to do. Pick some fruit and find some flowers. They don't just smell like shit, they taste like shit too. Look at all these beautiful colors and smell the delicious perfumes. This is a winning team. Looks nice, right? My head. Like and subscribe for part 2. Peace. Caveman out.